Hi guys, this is Zudi. Welcome back to my channel. This video is not just for women, it is for all gender types. A short disclaimer for the teenagers. I faced a lot of pimples on my face in my teenage years, and I just want to tell you that it is absolutely normal. 8 out of 10 teenagers face acne issues. So it's just a part of puberty and growing up. Also, I faced pimples even after my teenage years. So I'll tell you why I faced it and how you can get rid of it. We as human beings have this tendency of looking for shortcuts, DIYs, and that one cream that will help us get rid of our pimples, but it is not an overnight process. We need to be patient about it. I'll suggest you to make a checklist in your mind. As I go through the points, you will know where you're going right and where you really need to work on. For starters, I would like to give you some hygiene tips. Always change your pillow covers from time to time. Clean your phone screens. Third would be do not touch your face again and again, and do not pop your pimples. Your hands, your phone screen and your pillow covers have a lot of dust particles on them, and you do not want your face to come in contact with any of the dust particles. My second tip would be always apply a sunscreen even when you're at home, because your phone screens, laptops and TV screens emit UV rays which are very harmful for your skin. Also carry a scarf when you're going out in the sun. So coming to my boring points now, but it is what it is. So your diet, your nutrition, everything is very important when it comes to your face, because your stomach and your skin are directly connected. So whatever you eat is going to show up on your face. I remember having a lot of fried and oily food in my diet every single day, and it used to show up on my face. My face used to be very oily, and when your face is oily, you get a lot of pimples. So I would suggest including a lot of leafy vegetables, tomatoes, walnuts in your diet. They are very healthy for your skin. Also coming to sugar intake, sugar affects your skin really badly. I know I had experienced a lot of pimples because of sugar intake. I have made a detailed video on how you can quit sugar from your diet, and I'll link it in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. Coming to my next point, and a very important point, water. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water in a day. It is very important for your skin to feel hydrated, and water definitely does the work. So let's have some water right now. When it comes to working out, we all are very lazy, but always remember that when you work out, you sweat and it releases a lot of toxins from your body. So try working out at least twice a week and then switch to 5. Coming to the most important point of this video, and one of the major reasons why I had acne on my skin. Please remember that your mind, your stomach and your skin are interconnected. So try sleeping well, get enough sleep, and do not stress out a lot about things, about small things in your life. I know we tend to overthink, and that definitely makes you break out. So try meditating whenever you feel stressed out, and also do something that you really like. My next point is always buy products that suit your skin type. Why waste money on expensive products when you do not know what suits your skin? Also, I just wanted to burst a myth. Makeup isn't bad for your face. Always apply a moisturizer before you start your makeup. If you apply makeup on your bare face, it will definitely break out. These home remedies are absolutely inexpensive and you can do it at home. They are 100% natural. My first home remedy is pretty inexpensive for me because I have this aloe vera plant at home. So what I do is I keep this in the freezer for 2-3 hours, and after that I apply it on my acne or my acne scars. It lightens your skin and makes your acne go away. Also, please be gentle on your skin while you're rubbing it on your face, and do not be harsh. My second home remedy is for acne scars and that instant glow. Apply multani mitti mixed with rose water on your skin, and it will definitely give you that instant glowing skin. Also, you can use rose water on your face every single day as soon as you wake up in the morning. It gives you that refreshing and dewy look. Also, please check before you buy anything from the market. Check if the ingredients are 100% natural. A lot of home remedies are coming up for you on my channel, and they are really inexpensive ones. So please subscribe to my channel below. Even after following all of these tips, if you're still facing acne issues, I would suggest you to go and meet a dermatologist. They will definitely help you out with it. But always remember that your dermat is only going to give you medicines for a few months, and after that, you are the one who's supposed to take care of it. You cannot take medications for the rest of your life. If any of these tips helped you, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments down below. I'll be more than happy to help you out with it. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.